Video will be about how to set up your microphone in SEM4, and at the same time it's some troubleshooting. Sometimes you've got your mic not working, or the microphone is too soft, or you get a terrible echo. So I'm gonna spend this video on telling you how to set up your microphone in SEM4. First and for all, make absolutely sure that if you're running Second Life on the same computer as your SEM is running on, that you have disabled any voice in Second Life. Second Life uses a special program, and that will capture your microphone completely, and it won't work whatsoever in SEM4. So make sure that you go to preferences in your Second Life viewer, and that you disable voice at all, so you're absolutely sure your microphone isn't captured by the program Second Life uses to have voice in the game. The voice is done in the VoiceFX screen. Here I've got it in the center of the screen. The microphone, well, first and for all, you have to check, is this button lit? This button has to be on. If it's off, you can't press to talk and you can't use your microphone. So that's not too hard. You have to make sure it's on so you can use it. If it still is not doing what it should do and you still have no voice in Second Life, then you shut it off again and you go to the config screen. Here is the config screen for the VoiceFX. You can see I have this encoder, it is this one checked, encoders, record to pipeline and skip output. There is a nice screen that I could show you. It is on this config screen, and here is the VoiceFX as well, the audio mixer pipeline. Here you can see it. You can see DAC A going through the mixer, and from the mixer going to the encoders. Well, when I have my VoiceNX put to the directly to the encoder, like this, it will not get over the mixer. If I've got it over one of the others, like the sound card or the mixer, what will happen is that you've got a terrible echo. You will hear your own voice, and it's very hard to keep talking when you still hear your own voice. So make sure, I will cancel this one and go back to the config screen on VoiceFX. Make sure that you have encoders here checked on. You can try it, and if you're sometimes it just works, it's just perfectly in order. If you still don't have any voice, then make sure that you have got your sound card selected, so it will record your sound card, and you can go to mixer. The mixer screen is a screen that is from Windows XP itself, and you have to make sure that the microphone is selected and not the line out, because otherwise your microphone doesn't work. If this works, well, then you are saved. If you still have problems, or the microphone is too soft while this is all the way up, then you go to Advanced, and here you can see in Advanced you've got this checkbox. It'll probably is called something like microphone boost or something. This is a Dutch version of XP, so here it's got a Dutch name. But if you hit this one, it'll boost your microphone, so that way the microphone will be much louder, and you probably have to get some sliders down not to blast the speakers from your audience, like I did here. I mean, it's rather high, and if I would have boosted it, I would have lowered it. I have to lower it. Well, this all should make that your microphone, when this is lit, is on. Make sure that at least this air button is clicked, because if it's not on air, it won't work. Then if you press to talk, you will see that the sliders up here will move up and down. So that's for you a way to see that it is working.